Hey guys, today I'm here with a quick video on my simple deep conditioning routine, which helps keep my hair healthy and revitalize my natural curls. So this routine works so great with bringing your hair back to life. If it ever feels a little dry, if it starts to get knotted at the ends, or if your hair just doesn't seem to want to cooperate anymore and it becomes more difficult to style. And right now I do this once a month, but if you feel your hair needs it more often, you can definitely do this once every 2 weeks or even every week if you like. The first thing I do is shampoo because you want to deep condition on clean hair. Today I'm using this one and I'm not really too picky with my shampoos as long as they get my hair clean without leaving it feeling stripped. It's fine with me. So what I do is I wet my hair, of course, and then work the shampoo in and scrub my scalp with my fingers to lift any dirt and dead skin and get my scalp as clean as possible. While I'm doing this, I try not to agitate the very ends of my hair. I just let the suds clean them as they flow down while I'm rinsing the shampoo out. Once that's rinsed out, the next thing I do, and this is a very important step, I crank up the temperature of the water as high as I can comfortably stand it, and I rinse all of my hair with hot water. And this helps to open up the cuticles of the hair, which help the deep conditioner better penetrate the strands and work at the highest level. And yeah, you can see my lens was starting to get a little foggy here from the steam. Now I'm taking my hair and clipping it up into 4 sections and dividing it up like this. It just makes it easier to work with, and it also ensures that I'm coating all of my hair evenly and thoroughly. Now as for what I use to deep condition, first I have the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist, and I absolutely love this stuff. I've been using it for years. I use about half the bottle each time I deep condition. And then to really amp this up, I'm adding in some olive oil, and adding this to the Aussie cranks up the luster and manageability of my hair, and it helps it stay feeling moisturized longer. I don't really measure this though, I just eyeball it and mix it in until it looks like this. So taking down one section at a time, I'm applying my deep conditioning mixture all over, and then I'm really piling it on my ends, which are the most prone to breakage and damage. So I want to just give some extra care to my ends, separate the hair, and work in the conditioner. And as you may notice, I don't put any on my scalp, and I do that because I want to avoid buildup and flakes. Then once it's all coated, twist up the section, band 2 knotted, and pin it back down. Now, while I don't place the deep conditioner on my scalp throughout my head, I do make an exception for my edges around the front since I put gel on them a lot and I manipulate them, so they do need the treatment to help keep them healthy. Once all 4 sections are completed, I cover my head with a plastic cap. Then I wrap a towel around it to trap in my body heat, which will help even more with the penetration of the conditioner. And I leave it on for at least an hour. Most times I go a lot longer, say 3 hours or so, but I definitely recommend no less than an hour for this. All right, so now once I take the towel and plastic cap off, my hair feels really warm to the touch. So if you don't want to use a dryer or any heat tools to deep condition, you definitely don't have to, because this does the trick perfectly. Take my hair all down, and I rinsed it just a tad to get my hair wet again. And while the conditioner is still in, this is when I detangle. I always detangle while my hair is saturated because it helps so much with melting the snags, and the brush just glides through a lot easier with less shedding. Gather the hair into a ponytail to stretch out the roots, and then braid to keep the section detangled. Now I can go ahead and rinse out all of the deep conditioner, and I always finish it with a cool rinse at the end to close the cuticles, which reduces frizz. So here I am all done, and even without any product in it, my hair is super shiny, so much more manageable, and my curls are back in action. I went ahead and took a section and added on some gel to clump my curls together, and the definition is off the charts. This deep condition adds so much moisture to the hair, and it helps with less breakage, less split ends, and more elasticity, which you can see right here how my hair just springs right back into place. That's a sign of healthy hair, which is definitely what we all want. So that's my routine, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.